Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Mr. Black Hat Hacker, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to hack cameras of any device, be it a smartphone, Android, iOS, or even a Windows/Linux laptop. So I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Kali Linux live USB operating system. See, my Wi-Fi is connected, and now I'm gonna launch my browser. Here I'll type campfish. So this URL is already given in the description. So here you can see I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna launch a terminal, and I'll just clone this by this command git clone, and then I'll paste the URL. So as you can see, it has now downloaded. I'll just go inside the campfish folder. So now you can see there are the contents of this folder. So now I'll do the bash camphish.sh to run the script. So right now you can see it has launched, and it's asking me what tunnel server I have to use. So you can see there are the two options, ngrok and server.net. Here I'll be using the ngrok, so I'm gonna press 1. Now you can see it has given me 3 templates, that is festival wishing, live YouTube TV, or an online meeting. So live YouTube TV, that's what I'm gonna choose. So I'm gonna press 2 for that. So now I'll just grab any videos link. So I'm just gonna hop into YouTube and I'm gonna search for my own channel. There we go. Now this might be a little tricky. I'm just gonna launch any video, and in the top URL you can see watch v equal to and then this code. So this code is the code of this YouTube video. I'm gonna copy this code, and that's what I need in this terminal. So as you can see, it has asked me enter YouTube video watch ID. So I've pasted that watch ID, and it has started downloading ngrok to run the script. Now you can see I've closed the YouTube, and by the time that runs, I'm gonna launch ngrok to get my auth token. So I'll just search ngrok, and here I'll log in into my account. So right now you can see I'm logging in, and the details are blurred out for privacy purposes. Right now you can see I'm logged in. So on the left hand side you can see the option your auth token. That's what I need. Now I'll just copy that and quickly do it. By the way guys, don't use this auth token and please use yours. So the terminal has firing up the ngrok and the PHP servers. So here you can see it has given me a direct link, and it says waiting for targets. Press Ctrl C to exit the script. So I've copied the script to show you. Right now I'll do it in my Linux, and then I'll show you in the Android. Here I have pasted this. So you can see that it hops into my YouTube video and gives me a pop-up. So I have pressed allow. So as you can see right now, I have done this, and it says cam file received. So what this script basically does is it takes snapshots of that camera device, and the user is completely unknown of this. So I'll just do this real quick. By the time it takes a couple of more images, I'll show you where they are saved. So in my Kali folder, this is the campfish folder. So the content is blurred out again for privacy purposes, and sorry. Now I'm just gonna close this, and next I'm gonna show you in the Android device. So right now you can see I have fired up another terminal and bash camphish.sh, again choosing one for ngrok, again live YouTube video. So I'll just grab that watch ID again and here I'll paste it. Now it asks me if I want to use the same auth token. I have entered no for that. Now you can see the link is ready, and on the right hand side you can see my Android tablet. So I'm just gonna paste that link into my device browser. Now you can see the pop-up IP on the left hand. You can see in the terminal the IP has been grabbed, and so has been from the browser and also the personal device. Now you can see it has started capturing the details. Now of course there is nothing new on the Android screen because it doesn't know the camera has been using. So right now I have stopped the script by pressing Ctrl C, and I'll just show you that what images have been grabbed. You can see I did ls to list the contents of the folder. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please follow me on my Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such updates and amazing hacking scripts. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.